In this video, I'll try to explain how I go through a complex sentence. As you will see, I generally take pauses while reading through a complex sentence. It's not that I read the sentence till the very end and then try to understand the meaning. As I read the sentence, I take pauses and assimilate what I have read so far and then continue reading, and as I read the next chunk, I first assimilate the meaning till that point and then move forward. That's the basic way I read through a complex sentence. So let's start with option A here. It says Smithtown University's fundraisers were successful. Okay, so these people were successful in their contacts. Okay, so these people were successful in their contacts with potential donors. Okay, they were successful in their contacts with these donors who had never given before. Okay, so we are talking about those donors who had never given before. Okay, so there could be two kinds of donors, who have given before and who have never given before. We are talking about success in terms of these people who are new or who have never given before. Okay, so they were successful in their contacts with these donors who had never given before about as frequently. Okay, so they were successful, so it's modifying were successful. So they were successful about as frequently as were fundraisers for other universities. Okay, so it's comparing the success rate of these fundraisers. So Smithtown University's fundraisers and the fundraisers for other universities in terms of how successful they are in their contact with potential donors who had never given before, in their contact with such people. So yeah, so we are comparing in terms of how successful these fundraisers are with respect to potential donors who had never given before, and it's saying that the success rate is almost same. So both the fundraisers have the same success rate with respect to these potential donors who have never given before. You might have noticed that as I read through the sentence, I took various pauses, and whenever I took a pause, I tried to assimilate the information till that point. It may look like a lot of rereading, but a majority of that rereading happened because I was trying to explain my thought process to you. But when I read a sentence on my own, I do take pauses, and there is some level of rereading. It may not be as much as you might have seen in this video so far, but there is, depending upon how complex the idea is and how much reread I need to do to assimilate that idea. The point is to assimilate as I read. If I'm not assimilating and I continue reading, then essentially it's going to create a mess in my mind, and then I may create some meaning out of the sentence which may not have anything to do with the sentence. Let's read option B now. This year, the average size of the donations, so we are talking about this year, the average size of the donations to Smithtown University, okay, donations to this university from these donors, from new donors, whom the university's fundraisers had contacted. So we are talking about those new donors whom the university's fundraisers had contacted. Okay, so there could be new donors who could give without being contacted by fundraisers, but we are talking about those new donors whom these fundraisers had contacted, and we are talking about the average size of donations from these new donors. Okay, was larger. Okay, so this average size of the donations was larger than the average size of the donations. So we are comparing the average size of donations. So we are saying this average size of donations from these new donors was larger than the average size of donations from donors, okay, who had given to the university before. Okay, so we are comparing the average size of donations, and we are seeing the average size of donations from these people, new donors whom we contacted. This was larger than the average size of donations from donors who had given to the university before. So basically the average size of donations. So I'm trying to now simplify the idea. It's a complex idea to hold in mind. So I'm now trying to simplify the idea. So it's saying the average size of donations from these new donors was larger than the average size of donations from old donors. Option C. This year, most of the donations that came to Smithtown University. Okay, so we're talking about donations that came to Smithtown University from people. Okay, so we're talking about donation that came to this university from a specific set of people, okay, who had previously donated to it. Okay, so we are talking about donations that came to this university from these people. Okay, we are talking about a specific set of donations that came to this university from these people, and we are seeing most of those donations were made without the university's fundraisers. Okay, so these donations, most of these donations were made without the university's fundraisers having made any contact with the donors. Oh, okay, so it means that most of these donations, which donations that came to this university from people who had previously donated, so old donors. So most of the donations from old donors came without the fundraisers contacting those donors. That's what option C means.